guys. 361 personal best.
Oh, I'm a hard act to follow, got a big reputation. Oh, hold on, hold on, hold on now. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this now? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? There ain't no limit. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this?
Wow, what a wheelie, y'all.
You ain't seen nothing like this now. Let me hear your hands clap. It's
Man, just honestly, we're just blessed to be here. I mean, for all the things we've overcome, the car has gave us several hiccups, and here we're sitting here at 8 cars. So anything happens from here, it's just an absolute blessing because we're blessed to be here.
Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this now? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? There ain't no limit. Are you ready for this?
All right, guys. Well, that's going to wrap up the show. Things didn't turn out exactly as planned, but nor did the whole week. We battled through major problems from going out in the field, having to rebuild the front cap, to launching the intake off of it, to rebuild the motor, and we made it down to 8 cars. So I am more than happy with the team's performance, and just super excited to go down to 8 cars with the caliber of cars that we were racing against, which is the baddest cars in the world right here. So super happy about that. It's an honor to race with some of these guys, and we're taking a lot away from this event, and we'll be moving forward. We'll be back racing ProMods somewhere around y'all soon.
Are you ready for this?